CathSAP5 lets you use all 560 questions any way that meets your needs. Each of the 9 topics in the main dashboard has associated questions. Simply click on the Questions button next to the topic to begin. You can build a quiz to meet your individual needs by customizing Study or Test Mode, Study Topics, and Question Types. Simulate a board exam session by auto-generating 60 random questions. You have 2 hours to complete and will receive a score sheet with your results. The quiz and exam history allows you to resume attempts not yet completed. You may sort by date, mode, and score. As you answer questions within the product, the topic dashboard and answer sheets update to reflect your progress. And within each topic, you can easily revisit questions you got wrong to see whether you can now answer them correctly. CathSAP5, redesigned to meet your needs. ACC Education, always learning.